your vision, Your Excellency. You gave very clear directives, and I'm happy that the colleagues who have been working on this have delivered, together with the partners, the team that has just spoken to you just now. Mine is just to say one word before I invite you, Your Excellency, which is that for us in the Ministry of Interior, this is, we're just hosting the coordination. The work has been done by everybody in government, and I want to single out the ICT Ministry, which are the owners of the technology and the wherewithal to deliver this, CS Owalo and the PS and everybody, ICTA, but also thank also every ministry, every department and every agency of government, because without their cooperation, this milestone would not have been achieved. I therefore want to thank you, and I want to, yes, Your Excellency, at this juncture, allow me to invite you to launch the milestone of the e-citizen services of the government of Kenya that has been realized up to this point. The countdown is being shown. Can somebody direct us on how to do this?
Let me take this opportunity, Waziri and your team at the ICT, at the citizen services and ICT departments for making this a reality. As one young man has said, in 2014, when we came into office at the Jubilee administration, we identified one weakness that was there in government, that it was not possible in 2014 to pay for any government service in any other way other than in cash. The only understanding of government in 2014 was payment in cash. I am very happy that today we can actually say no government service should ever be paid for in cash. Because of paying in cash, we've had a big challenge of corruption, of bribery, of confusion, of unavailability of the service, of come tomorrow, the file has got lost, the person who is supposed to there is on leave, or he has gone on sick leave, or he has done this. Today, we are announcing to the people of Kenya that government services will be available online. 5,084. It's a very proud moment for me when I hear that all these government services now will go to a dedicated, non-identifiable account, 22222, controlled by the government of Kenya, by the Treasury of the Republic of Kenya. And that with this launch today, 5,084 government services will be available. You can pay for them without traveling to any office, and that we can account for the money that is paid for by the people of Kenya while paying for government services. And even the services that are available for free, people of Kenya can access. I want to thank the banks, Equity, KCB, Cooperative Bank, Safaricom, and all the other telcos for partnering with us. Now it will be possible for government services to be available in all government offices, but also available in over 300,000 spots elsewhere in Kenya, apart from being available on your telephone. And we are making it easier for people to access smartphones. As I have said, we are working with our telcos, and in August, we should be able to have access to a 4G-enabled phone that is affordable for the majority of the people of Kenya. Congratulations to all the people who put this together.
Thank you.
I did the easier part. You guys did the more difficult part, but we did it together. So I want to say I am very happy that this service is being launched today. And I have heard about the future. The future is, and Waziri again, the same way I promised the people of Kenya that we will have 5,000 services online by 30th June, and we have achieved it. In the next 90 days, we must have a digital ID. That digital ID has been traumatic for Kenya. We are all aware that there was another phantom project called Huduma Number. That Huduma Number was a complete fraud because we lost almost 15 billion shillings and got very little out of it. We must demonstrate in the next 90 days that it is possible for us to have a digital ID without spending 15 billion and without defrauding the people of Kenya. And those who did that should be ashamed of themselves. So, good people, we have a country to look after. It is our country. We must look after it. We must do whatever it is, whatever it takes to make sure that Kenya moves forward. We must tap into the talent of these young people. It is the young people of Kenya that have made this a reality. And we must applaud the young people of Kenya for their talent, for their expertise. You know, this e-citizen has been built by Kenyans. Many people across the world, when I tell them we are going to have 100% digitized government services by the end of this year, they wonder. Many people, including from the developed world, never believed that we would do 5,000 government services in 6 months. Visa, a world-renowned company, just told me they never also believed that this was possible. But it became possible because of the young people of the Republic of Kenya. Congratulations, Evid and your team. Congratulations, the people at the Ministry of ICT. Congratulations, the people at the Citizen Directorate and Citizen State Department. Waziri and your team, pongezi, for providing the leadership and for proving that Kenyans can always do their thing and make our country great. Today, I am a very proud Kenyan that with our talent, with the talent of our young people, with the knowledge of our young people, with the expertise of our young people, with the coordination of our government, today we are launching a phenomenal achievement that we have 5,000 government services online. They will be available everywhere, and that by the end of this year, we will have all government services available online. And that in the next 90 days, we are going to have a digital ID. Burn the midnight oil, do whatever you have to do, and I am sure that it will happen. And shortly, we will be collecting our taxes also using the e-citizen platform. I know there is work going on around there, but again, congratulations to all of you. Two things are outstanding for us to complete this. Digital ID, digital signature, finished. Then, twende kazi. Asanteni sana, congratulations.
At the press of this button, Your Excellency, we have the electronic citizen solution. Ladies and gentlemen, Gava Mkononi is officially launched. Mr. President, you're welcome to now chair the cabinet briefly as we now also launch the digital signature.